Tina from Spring has a question about a GFCI replacement.
Well, Tom, yeah, she has a little worry because she's not sure which size to use. She says her house was built in 1989 and she has a GFCI that won't reset and she's going to replace it. But the breaker appears to be a 20 amp with 2 switches and only one controls the GFCI outlet. She says there are several plugs downstream from this one. And she says, now get this, I purchased a 15 amp one because it says so. But when I took it out, I noticed it's engraved 20 amps on the side. And I'm not sure. I've read the only difference is the outlet plug. So my question is this true that a 15 and a 20 are the same, or have I purchased the wrong thing?
You didn't purchase the wrong thing. The 20 amp is what you want because it's probably a number 12 wire and it's a 20 amp circuit. So that's usually it. Usually they're all a 20 amp. As far as I know with the GFCIs, they really don't run them 15 amps, although it can run on a wire because it's protecting everything. So it's very sensitive so they can cross over. But the bottom line is you have the right one. Go ahead and replace it.
All right, easy enough. You got a question, we can answer it easy enough just like that. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button and fill it out, send it in. We'll get it here at our houses. And we'll review the question and maybe put it in a video like this. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do. You click on the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll get notified when we put a new one up.